So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Kentucky or any other state in the best, easiest, and most affordable ways possible. So just to make this video nice and easy, I'm going to quickly start off with the table of contents, and I'll include the timestamps down below so you can go ahead and skip to any part of the video that you like. Alright, so chapter 1, I'm going to discuss what an LLC is and give you a few reasons why you should consider starting an LLC over other business entities. Then in chapter 2, we'll talk about the pros and cons of starting an LLC in Kentucky State. And finally, in chapter 3, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step process to actually start your LLC. Now, in this video, I'm going to be focusing on Kentucky State specifically, but if you are going to choose another state, the steps will be exactly the same, so you can still follow along. I'll also provide any useful links in the description and pinned comment below the video, so be sure to check those once this video is over. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. So, an LLC or limited liability company is a type of business structure that basically combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a partnership. It is a great way to legally separate your personal assets from your business, so you're not personally responsible for the business's debts or its own legal issues. And choosing to form an LLC as your business entity can offer a lot of advantages. One major benefit, and the reason most business owners choose to start an LLC, is limited liability protection, which basically means that your personal assets such as your savings, cars, homes are completely safe from being used to pay off any business debts or legal liabilities. Another reason is because LLCs have very flexible taxation options. This means you can avoid being double taxed, and it can provide excellent tax flexibility based on your specific business needs. Another reason so many people choose to start an LLC is its operational flexibility. What this means is having fewer formalities and requirements compared to corporations. It can make it a lot easier and more cost-effective to operate and maintain an LLC, including no need for a board of directors and greater flexibility in management structure. And lastly, forming an LLC can also convey credibility and professionalism to customers, investors, and partners, because it is a recognized and established business structure that may be seen more reputable compared to other business entities. All right, let's move on to the part of the video where I'm going to go over some of the advantages and disadvantages of starting an LLC in Kentucky versus other states. So, on the positive side, Kentucky does have a quite low cost to start an LLC. This makes it an excellent, affordable option for those who want to start a business but are working with a limited budget. Another advantage is that the state offers tax benefits with the flat income tax rate of just 5%, which is lower than a lot of other states. Kentucky also has a favorable business environment and is located centrally in the United States, which makes it an ideal location to serve customers in multiple states. However, there are some downsides to starting an LLC in Kentucky. Personal liability is one of the main concerns, because members of an LLC in Kentucky may be held personally liable for their company's debts and obligations, which can be risky for some business owners. Kentucky also doesn't offer as many legal protections for LLCs as some other states, which can make it harder to safeguard your business assets. There are also certain requirements that must be met to maintain your LLC status, such as filing an annual report, which can be a bit of a hassle and costly. But those disadvantages lead me on to the next part of the video, where I'll show you the easiest and best way to get your LLC in Kentucky set up in 3 simple steps. So yeah, setting up an LLC in Kentucky can be a time-consuming and outright frustrating process, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't start one there. If anything, I would just recommend using an LLC formation service to just take care of everything for you. And one service I would highly recommend, and the one I even use myself every time to form an LLC, is Taylor Brands. So Taylor Brands is an amazing platform that I've been using for years now. That's because they have so many amazing tools designed to start a business from scratch, all in one place. They have a logo maker, website builder, business card printing, LLC formation, and a bunch of other useful tools as well. Literally everything you need to go from zero to hero in one convenient place. So going back to the LLC formation, yeah, Taylor Brands has a team of experts who will basically do the entire LLC formation just for you. And if you do have any questions or concerns about starting your LLC, they have a team of experts that's willing to chat 24/7. And their website is so user-friendly. You can literally start your LLC in 3 simple steps, and it only takes about 5 minutes. So let me quickly guide you through the process. Firstly, just click on the link that I provided for you down below this video in the description or the pinned comment. Then once you're on the website, step 1 is just to choose your state. Step 2, choose your business name, and they'll check it there if it's available or not. And the third final step, just answer a few basic questions they have about your business. They ask things like what service you're selling, what stage your business is at, how many employees you have, and finally, your contact details. And that's basically it. Taylor Brands will then start your LLC, and their team of experts will guide you through every step of the way. They'll make sure all the necessary paperwork, such as your articles of organization and everything else, are fully complete, accurate, and filed correctly. Then, once it's all done, they'll obtain your federal tax ID number or EIN and provide you with a certificate of organization, which is a document that proves your business is fully legally registered and ready to start operating. So in conclusion, setting up an LLC in Kentucky doesn't have to be difficult. With Taylor Brands LLC formation service, you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily, leaving you more time to focus on the important part of actually growing your business. Their expert guidance and affordable pricing make them an excellent choice for small business owners looking to start on their entrepreneurial journey. So if you'd like your LLC entirely set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands by using the discount link I provided for you in the description and pinned comment down below. But as for this video, guys, this is just about it. If you have any questions about forming an LLC, about Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.